Hello everyone. Today is January 13th, 2019. This is 8th episode about C and C++ concept. In this episode, we will learn object-oriented programming in C with static functions. More specifically, we will learn typedef for function pointer and struct. We will also learn storage specifier static and extern, also keyword constant, also unnamed or anonymous union. We will also learn unnamed or anonymous struct. I start Visual Studio 2017 from File, New, Project, Object, Oriented Programming in C solution. Project name will be OOP in C. Click OK. Please unselect and select empty project. Click OK. Right click source file, new item, C file, main.c. Please note that we are programming in C language, not C++. Click add. Right click, add new item, C++, talk play fun, vector, C. Click add. Right click header file, add new item, header file, talk play fun, vector H. Click add. Please note that we will be using function pointer extensively. If you do not know what is function pointer, please refer to this YouTube video. In this session, I will not explain much about function pointer. In vector H, I will arrange like this and I will make it smaller. This is vector C file, this is a header file. If not def, talk play fun, vector.h, and if end of file like this, define, save all. Here we declare a double real T. Okay, we declared a global variable real T. Now we prepend typedef to make it type name. So this is type alias, typedef struct. Here talk play fun, vector real T, and talk play fun, vector real T, ptr T. Okay, it looks a little bit ugly. Please bear with me. Union, it does not have any name. This is anonymous union. Anonymous union. Here struct, it also does not have name. Real T, X, Y, Z, S. S is for scalar. Here real T, M. This is 4 element. This is vector. Okay, now save. In main C, include stdio, include talk play fun vector int main. We can declare like this: talk play fun vectorial b 1 2 3 4. Like this, we can declare like this. Ctrl F5. Okay, it should build successfully. Close it. In vector C here again, typedef struct talk play fun vector operation real T star talk play fun vector operation real T ptr T. Okay, please understand we are using typedef struct here. Save. We are creating a function here, include. Please note that this is talk play fun vector file like this, and we can include stdio h static. We are creating a function that returns this type, this struct. This is return type. Talk play fun vector make real tx, real ty, real tz. S is scalar value. We will not deal with this. Then here talk play fun vector real tb x y z. We will put default value like this. Return b. Okay, we created a static function. Now copy this part like this and put it here. Wrap it like this. Now we are making it pointer. Then remove the name. Just leave make only and put constant. And we don't need this. This is an instance of function pointer. Save. I will make it a little bit bigger. Now here we are creating a global function extern. It returns this pointer like this. Talk play fun vector operation real t vector operation get real t. Sorry, I will name it vector get operation real t like this. Please note that this is function declaration. This is return type. This is function name. I will copy this. This is global function. And I will create a static. I am creating this structure operations like this. We are creating a global static struct this. Then we provide this function like this. Okay. Save. Now here return this object. Paste like this. Save. We can do like this. First we want this item OPR. Then we call this function like this. Then here OPR make. We are calling this function make. Okay, this function is actually this function. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. So Control F5. Okay, it should build successfully. It looks very long. Okay, but I think this looks very long. I will do like this. VCTR or vector T. This is an instance type def. Then it becomes type like this. It's much cleaner. Then here we will create another static function. Static void print vector. We need a pointer. This is the pointer like this. B constant character pointer fmt size of real t. Real is this struct equals size of double. Then we return %lg %lg else %g %g like this. Then printf fmt b. It has member xyz x b y b z like this. Okay, now save. Then copy this function once again up to this point. Then here paste like this. Bind it like this. Remove this part. Put pointer constant like this. Okay, then here we can remove it. We don't need it like this. Save. Then here now we copy the function name here like this. Actually I don't think we need the vector here. It'll be just fine. And I will make a few changes here. Actually I don't need this. I will just make like this. And I will just change like this. Also talk play fun. Copy and paste. Save. Now we can print the vector like this. OPR print B. Okay. Now Control F5. Now it works 1, 2, 3. Vector 1, 2, 3 is created here. Then we print the vector like this. Now we add addition, vector addition here. Static void talk play fun add. Okay. Actually we don't need this, but I will just do this. Copy this part here. V1. Copy once again. V2 like this. Then like this. V1 X V2 X. I copy 3 times. 2 3. This should be Y. This should be Z. This should be Y. This should be Z like this. Okay. Now I copy this part once again. I copied and pasted here. I bind the function name and I'll remove this part, star constant. Then we don't need this. We can actually leave this, but I just want to remove this. If we don't need this, then we can remove like this. And here we add this function. Okay, now save all. Here now we can add two vector like this. Vector t v1 opr make 1 2 3, vector t v2 opr make 3 2 2 1 like this. Then we can add opr, add v1 v2 like this. Then we can display the result. opr print here v1. Now the result will be displayed. Okay, it displays. I will add two more functions here. I will create a simple function, and the function name will be new line like this. And we do not have any parameter, and we don't need this, and we simply put like this. This is new line, and I copy this function here. I paste, then I bind once again like this. Then star constant, I changed like this. Then I copy this function name, just function name. Then I add, save. I added a new line. I will add one more function here, copied, add 2. I changed the add 2, and here I will add one more parameter, 3. Then v1 x equals v2 x plus v3 x like this. Then I copy it 3 times. Then it should be y, y, and y. This is z, z, g like this. Okay, now we copy this one once again. I copied and paste it here. I bind it like this. Then constant, remove this. Then we can remove this like this, like this, and like this. Or we can just leave them, or we can just leave v1 v2 v3. We just left here. Now I will explain here. Create a vector here, print a vector v1 v2, print new line v1 v2 v3 like this. Save. Now we copy this function name, paste like this, save all. And here now we create another vector vector v3. We do operation like this, opr add 2 v3 v1 v2. We are actually adding something like this, v3 equals v1 plus v2. Okay, now here we print opr print v1 opr new line opr print v2 opr new line opr print v3 opr new line. Save. Now let's run. Control F5. I have an error. I missed semicolon here. Save. Control F5. Okay, this is vector 1, this is vector 2, this is vector 3, the addition of two vector. Or I can make another function like this. Here I can make another function, print vector v like this, and constant character pointer msg like this. Save, and here %s here msg. Save. I will change the function print head. I changed like this. Then copy this function and here bind like this and print, then vector like this. Save. I added this and semicolon. Here we can test this value, and I copy this function head, paste. I create another one, print tail. In this case, I change the order, %s, msg. Okay, save. I copy this function, paste, bind with parentheses like this, const. Save, copy, paste. Here print v msg. Now here in function main, print, then here opr print head. I will change it, I will delete all. opr print head v1 opr print head v2 print head v3 like this. Control F5. Now it displays like this, v1, v2, v3. So this way we can create a complete library all in C++ object-oriented way. I hope you understand this concept. To follow this session, you probably need to watch my previous video about function pointer and typedef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.